As I say when I'm speaking, what's the number one search engine in the world? Google. What's number two? Who cares? And it literally is who cares because of the dominance of Google. Marketing becomes more important when you go out of network because you're literally, when you resign, you're going to turn the spigot off of any new patients coming from MetLife or Delta or Blue Cross Blue Shield or Travelers or whatever the PPO is. So you've got to replace that flow, and then you have to replace the patients that you're going to lose when you go out of network. And if you do those ahead of time, you're operating from a total position of strength. You're prepared, you're ready, you've already replaced those, and you just keep plowing forward. And it's why this is so important, which is why we wanted to do this podcast episode on that, to draw your attention to it, and to put this very important topic on your radar screen, because I don't think many dentists have naturally thought about whether their content is unique or not. And now it is critical that you start to identify that and you take action so that your website provides unique content so that you can perform well when it relates to Google. It's all about Google. As I say when I'm speaking, what's the number one search engine in the world? Google. What's number two? Who cares? And it literally is who cares because of the dominance of Google. And it's very important that your website perform well in the eyes of Google. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. The full podcast episode link is in the link below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like our content.